How to remove the grille on Volkswagen Golf. Next we need to remove the bonnet release lever. It's just held on by a little latch in there. There's just a little lever in there. Just get a screwdriver and just pull it up like so. You can see it there. So once that's up, you're just going to pull this side and this side away from the middle, and that will release this. Let's put a screwdriver between them. Let's pull sideways. That'll release it. Just pull it out as so, and that's what you're pulling apart from that pin. Next, just release the top pins of the grille. You just pull them out. Just pull out. Just a little pin inside. Same side. Same thing on this side. Just pull it out. So for the inside ones, again they're just little tabs that fit in here. You may need a little screwdriver just to poke them out. Help you poke them out without damaging them, but you can just lift out usually. Let's have a quick look at those tabs at the bottom. You can see they point out a bit, and that's where you just wedge in your screwdriver, but usually they just pull straight out. That's the hole they're coming out, and that's it.